Hello there, welcome to the weekly Forex market update by Michael. And in this video, we're looking at the NZDUSD, NZDCHF, GBPNZD, and the GBPAUD currency pairs. Right, so before we get started, before we get into the business of the day, let's take you to the premium Forex signal service channel. Right, this goes for $200 monthly. It's brought to you by Mike Earn, here to change your trading for the better and for the best. Right, we are ready to help you take your trading to the highest level with tested and proven trading strategies that would help you make a lot of money trading Forex. So this signal service would really help you. Now, I'm aware many people believe they know how to trade, they don't need signal services. Well, you might need someone who has a better perspective of the market, who has another perspective of the market, who can also help you make money and maybe make even more money, and also even make more money for you, right, with the signal service. Right, so with this signal service, what you get is premium service, right, just by the name implies. Now there's something I wanted to mention to you, and that is the fact that many traders trade mindlessly, but with the premium Forex signal service, what you get is trades that have been mindfully generated, trades that have been mindfully derived. Because the truth is, the signals that I give on this channel are the signals that I use myself, right? So I'm not in this Forex market. I'm not in the Forex market to catch some fun, but I'm actually here to make some money. I'm not just here to get busy, but I'm here to make money. Now, there's this idea of signal providers just providing signals just to fulfill an obligation. They are not necessarily taking those signals themselves. But one thing I can assure you of is that the signals I post here are the signals I take myself. So to be part of what we do, you can copy my direct Telegram contact in the description below. Copy my direct Telegram contact in the description below, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can be part of what we do. Is that simple? So I'll be waiting for you and I'll be expecting you. Thanks. Let's go into the business of the day. We are starting with the NZDUSD. Right, now let's go to the monthly time frame and see for ourselves what has been happening. The market has been bearish for some months now, so we still have that bearish approach or bearish outlook to the market. Now in the weekly, same idea. Daily, let's see. Now for the daily, if we see price come into this, okay, now that price is actually is currently at a major zone. Well, one thing I need to note is that I'm not impressed by how price broke. Yes, it broke and closed above this 0.60854 zone, but the kind of breaks that I look out for are significant breaks above the market or above the zone. But this is not so significant to me. I'm sure maybe it's a 30 pips or maybe 20 pip difference right there. Oh my goodness, not even close. It's just 4.2 pips thereabout, above the zone of interest. So I think I'll just keep my eyes on that, but I would not take it seriously. Now if we see price come into the 0.62046 zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, then I can suggest that if it meets your confirmation, look for an opportunity to sell the market, right? Go for a 1-to-1 and even much more than a 1-to-1, because this is currently a bearish market, right? We could see price come as low as the 0.608547 from that zone, right? Now for another scenario, if we see price, if price doesn't do that, but price comes into this major zone of the 0.59858 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would suggest that you also buy the market, look for an opportunity to buy the market. But since it's a bullish move, since it's a buy in a bearish market, you don't want to overstay your welcome. You can just go for a 1-to-1, and a 1-to-1 will be good, right? Just go for a 1-to-1 and you'll be fine, right? So that's for NZDUSD. Let's go to NZDCHF. For NZDCHF, the monthly time frame makes it very clear that it's a very bearish market. So for the weekly, let's see. Same idea. Now the daily. Okay, this will be my prediction. If we see price come into the zone, let me zoom in a little. If we see price come into the 0.52968 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then you can look for an opportunity to buy. I'm quite sure this would not happen this new week, but they just have that information. You can look for an opportunity to buy. You go for a 1-to-1 if it meets your confirmation. I will not suggest you go for more than a 1-to-1 because this is a bearish market and you don't want to overstay your welcome. Now, for a bullish scenario, what would I look out for? Okay, so in a situation where price pushes higher and doesn't come that low, I don't think I would see this as an extended move enough, right? From this place to this place, maybe not. But if let's just make a prediction on that one. If we see price come into the 0.55026 zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, then we can look for opportunities to sell, right? I go for a 1-to-1 or even lower than that since it's a bearish market. Now, even if it breaks above there, if it comes into the 0.56728 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, we can also look for an opportunity to sell. Go for a 1-to-1 first and also continue selling. Since it's a bearish market, you might look for opportunities to continue selling. And I think I also see something right here. I hope I'm seeing correctly. Let's see. Well, yeah, we have something there, but do we have something here? Maybe we might have something there too. Maybe, just maybe. We just maybe might have something there. So you can also keep that on your radar. That's a very possible, that's a possibility right there. You can keep that on your radar and wait for price to come into this confluence of the horizontal and vertical, or diagonal resistances. Yeah, so that's for NZDCHF. Let's go to GBPNZD. Now for GBPNZD, what do we have? The weekly time frame tells us it is bullish, a slow bullish market. Weekly bullish, weekly, well, it's pointing upwards. That's what I can say for now. Now for the daily time frame, if we see price push into this 2.09294 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we can look for an opportunity to sell. Go for a 1-to-1 if it meets your confirmation, right? Using the daily time frame, using the daily close candle as your entry candle. Don't forget the daily time frame is our execution time frame in this and our current analysis. Now, if we don't see that, if we see price come into, in another scenario, if we see price come into the 2.05307 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then we can look for opportunities to buy the market. Go for a 1-to-1 and even much more if it meets your confirmation. And why am I saying go for more than a 1-to-1 if possible? Is because the trend of the market is currently in that direction, so there's a high chance that it keeps pushing upwards. But anything you do, whether you're buying or selling, whatever the trend of the market is, in any market at all, in the financial market, approach with caution, right? That's the advice I would give. Now for GBPAUD, let's go to GBPAUD. GBPAUD, let's see, weekly time frame. Yeah, maybe another slow bullish move, maybe. Monthly, what we say monthly. Now this is the weekly. I'll say maybe slow. Now for the daily time frame, where we see that price is approaching this low. So if we see price come into either of the 1.88764 zone or the 1.88347 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above either of those zones, then I would suggest that you go for a buy, right? Go for a 1-to-1. Yes, go for a 1-to-1 on this currency pair, nothing more than a 1-to-1. And my reason is that the price action on this currency pair has not been so clear to suggest that it's going to keep pushing higher or not. So I would advise that you go for a 1-to-1. Now, if it doesn't do that, if it pushes, let's say, into this 1.91085 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would suggest that you sell if it meets your confirmation and go for only a 1-to-1 as well. Yeah, so that will be that for the GBPAUD currency pairs, GBPAUD currency pair, and all the currency pairs we've analyzed in this video. Now let's take you back to the Premium Forex Signal Service. This Premium Forex Signal Service is here to change your life for the best, right? With the $200 monthly subscription fee, you can get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. This is not a bluff, this is a fact, right? You can copy the link in the description below, paste it in your browser. That's my, I'm talking about the my direct Telegram contact. Copy it, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can be part of what we do. It's very easy to make a lot of money with the Premium Forex Signal Service channel that's brought to you by Mike Earn. So thanks for watching. I'll be expecting you. Bye for now.